Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, it is raining and it is nasty out today. So there'll be no driving of these beautiful hot rods out on those wet roads. I thought we'd come over here to Junction and show you some of the cool stuff sitting over here. Let's take a quick look. Look at that sea of beauty right there, man. We got all the colors. We got blue, orange, red, just gorgeous. Take a look at this little Cobra sitting here. This baby's getting ready to get parked in somebody's driveway. You see that sold sign up there? Absolutely gorgeous. And then sitting behind this car, you see that orange? Silver stripes. Man, she's looking sweet. Now, a lot of the guys are over here doing some inspections on the car. One of the things we do is we go through and check out all the cars. Like this Bronco right here, 75 model. She's gorgeous inside and out. We're gonna change out the wheels on this baby. We're gonna put solid aluminum wheels on it. Gonna look sweet. See how beautiful this thing is? It was done inside, outside, and bottom side. Even chromed up those hinges, looking beautiful. Love the wheel flares here too, looking sweet. And I'll tell you what, this is one of my favorites. I love those silver stripes. We got Corey, one of our mechanics, working on some brake lines on the little Tri-5 Chevy right here. That's gonna get a new set of shoes also. She's gorgeous, isn't she? Looking under the hood of that thing is beautiful. Now we've got a beautiful Chevelle sitting here. Look at that black car. Absolutely gorgeous. We've got great looking interior there, all white. This is an automatic car, center console. And this is one of the things we do here at Vanguard. You see these little sheets right here? We write up some special instructions on each car so you know exactly how to operate your car when it hits your driveway. Just 10 or 12 things that each car has that's unique. This 55, again, I've told you guys a lot of times, this is how I tell real quick whether it's a 55 or 56. 56 has got the gas fill in that tail light. Then we got a beautiful Chevelle sitting right here too. Love the color blue on this thing. She's gorgeous. Then sitting right beside her here, a couple of GTOs. We got one convertible, and then there's a hardtop there behind it, and that hardtop's got a sold sticker on it. Then we got another blue Chevelle sitting here. Isn't that gorgeous? Got two of them, front to back, baby. Then that Cobra sitting over there, you want to talk about cool, man? I love that Cobra. Then that F100 pickup truck, she's all chopped looking sweet, sitting on custom rims. I see some big old Willwood brakes on the back. There goes my phone again. We'll call this one back later. Got 57 Chevy sitting here. Man, it's gorgeous. Got another beautiful Tri-5 sitting here. Of course, there's another Chevelle sitting there. And way up behind it, on top of that stacker there, that car on the right's actually my dad's. My dad restored that car in 1980. That was a long time ago. We're gonna go over here in the other room and check out what's going on over there. Sneak between these two GTOs. Oh, then one of my favorites, this Mark IV. I tell you, when I was driving this car, doing the video on this thing, I think I got more thumbs up than driving a 67 Mustang Fastback. Everybody remembers these. Of course, everybody's dad, just like mine, wanted one. Absolutely gorgeous car. Look at that, how long that hood is. The styling on this car too, just amazing. Love the grille, the bumper. Then of course we got this gorgeous Chevelle sitting here. That charcoal is looking sweet. The metallic in it's looking good. We got the black stripes on it. And then of course the '69 Mustang. Man, you want to talk about cool. And yeah, that's an R code, and yeah, sorry, it is sold. Let's get over here in the other room. Got a good looking Chevrolet pickup truck sitting here. We just put new wheels on it. That'll be coming soon. Got another one of my favorite Chevelles in my favorite color. Got some beautiful Kragers on it. And then what else we got over there? Oh, look at this Torino convertible. You want to talk about a rare beast, that's a real GT too. This is another one of my favorite colors. It's like a strawberry color, it's maroon, got some light metallic in it. Then we got a good looking F250 here. I'm going to close the door here. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Let me raise the hood on this thing. Look at that. Look how clean that is. Isn't that amazing? Somebody took beautiful care of this thing throughout the years and then did a beautiful job restoring it. And then of course, man, look at this orange truck. I keep picking out my favorite colors, then I keep seeing a more favorite color. Then we got a little short bed Chevrolet pickup truck here, all four-wheel drived out. Looking good. Look at the bed in this thing. I know this bed didn't do any work ever. Look at that. She's beautiful. A lot of pickup trucks had to go to work every day. We are specialists at finding trucks that didn't have to go to work every day. Look at this little F100 sitting here. You want to talk about sweet? All blacked out. We got a chrome grille in there. And then that charcoal looking sweet. Got a little let's take a look. You're closer over there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? One gorgeous car right there. And of course it is a big block. Let's walk over here in this other room. We've got a little GT350 here. I do believe this one's sold. I don't see a sold sign in it, but I'm pretty sure it's sold this weekend. Of course, we got a couple of lifts sitting over here. This is where the guys do the inspections on the cars. Oh look, we just ran into Tommy and Jimmy. When you call on the phone right there, that's Tommy.
Right here, call me anytime, 7 days a week. Just like Greg says. He doesn't let me have any rest.
We got our 63 split window sitting up here. Custom frame underneath this baby. Of course, we got Kermit over here inspecting it. I know some of you see Kermit doing the videos when I'm off on a trip buying cars. Tell me about this Corvette, Kermit.
It's got a street shot frame up underneath it. It's a mostly modern Corvette, like running gear on it, QA1 coilovers on all four corners. Got a thing an LS3 under the hood. Real fancy custom wiring harness and a custom interior. It's pretty fancy.
Wow. So he's going to put all the information into our computer system so we can write the ad. So when we're ready to park this dream in your driveway, we can tell you all about it. And look right there. Look at that notchback. Under the hood of that baby is a modern Coyote, looking sweet. And then we got Nate over here. What's going on, Nate?
Nothing much, just inspecting 454 SS.
Yeah, how many miles this got on it? Like 20,000? 26,000, yeah.
So,
very well kept, man.
Yeah,
Talk
really
about
nice,
beautiful.
Really nice.
So guys, that's Junction Street. Keep an eye on us at VanguardMotorSales.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the little bell button so you get a notification when I get back out on the road.